Hi, this is a tutorial about fairy hair and how to tie the knots. The fairy hair is hair tinsel. It's really long and they'll have multiple colors to choose from. Look how long that is. And that's doubled in half. What you'll do is they'll select a color and you will take one strand. Look, I made a mess. I shouldn't have done that. You'll take one strand. It gets a little more difficult when you're dealing with hair than ribbon, but I'm going to just show you the ribbon and how to tie the knots using the ribbon. If you are not a person that's really good with hair or not dexterous with your fingers, this may not be the craft for you. You might want to volunteer for something else. Please let us know soon so that we can switch and get them people that need to do this. It is a little tricky, I'm not gonna lie. But first of all, just to show you the knots. It's gonna be done with a slip knot and 2 overhand knots. This orange ribbon is gonna represent the hair, and then the white is going to represent the tinsel. So you're gonna grab a hair or 3 to 5 hair, little bundle of hairs. You're gonna take the hair tinsel, which will be it's in half, it's folded over, and you're going to stick it behind the hair where you have a loop. You're gonna reach your hands up through the loop and you're gonna grab both ends of the tinsel and pull it through the loop like this, and it creates a slip knot right here. You're gonna slide it all the way down the hair shaft to their scalp, and when you get to the scalp, just give a little bit of a tug on it and it hopefully will tighten there. It still might slide, so we're gonna do 2 half hitches, and to do that we're going to take the 2 tail ends of the tinsel and make a over the top loop, and I'm going to reach my fingers through. I'm going to grab both ends of the tinsel and I'm going to pull it through and pull it up all the way up to the first slip knot, and that's your first half hitch. And you'll do that again. Take the 2 ends of the tinsel over the hair, reach down through, grab the 2 ends of the tinsel and pull it through and pull it all the way up to the other half hitch. So now you have 3 hitches on the hair, pulling it tight at the scalp. Really give it a nice little tug. If it seems like it's still slipping, there will be some eyelash glue, and you can put a dash of eyelash glue on there to tighten it on. And then the ends of the hair tinsel will be really long, so you'll use the scissors we have and you'll trim it to the length of the hair of the person. So it is a little bit tricky because you're dealing with it with hair at a different angle, and some hair is really fine, some hair you'll feel is curly and has texture, but you'll get better at it the more you do, because I've been getting better at it as well. Thanks a lot, and please let us know if this is something you're nervous about doing. We'll get people that already have hair skills. Thank you so much.